Okay, this is the machine I use to play in a slot tournament.
Okay. Well, we heading down and see who won this slot tournament.
Hopefully
She
you.
won last time.
Yes.
Maybe
And
I'll
hopefully you won this time.
win this time.
Hopefully.
Last time she had long hair.
I told you was gonna win.
Last time I had an afro, so
What does that have to do with anything, baby?
maybe they don't know us, so they'll let us win again this time. We gonna see.
We love this place, though.
Who love? I don't love it. When they give us money, I love it. But whenever they give us money, I love it. Whenever I lose, I don't love it. Hey, order you one of these shirts right here. Welding and stuff.
Welding and stuff.
Yeah.
Welding inspection
Maybe.
services.
And maybe y'all can win on the slot tournament too. So let's see what's gonna happen here. All right, stay tuned. Yeah.
Hey, did you start it?
Yeah, just recording.
Okay, I did. Does anybody already know? Oh.
I'm done. Don't say nothing. No.
That sound, those sounds.
Oh!
Oh, you did. You did. You did win. You did win. Awesome. Awesome. Woo! All right. That's good. Awesome.
Thank you. Yeah. Well, my arm hurting after hitting that bus. Oh, you got third?
I dumped the bus 50 now.
Oh, awesome. Congratulations.
So what you get for film? You get something. Oh.
Awesome. That's great.
Yeah, let's go spend this money. Okay, they just put the money on the card, so let's see how much they put on there. There we go. $10,000 there to the right. All right, let's get the spinning. I won the $10,000, and 3 weeks ago, my wife won $10,000 on the slot tournaments. If you want to see hers, just looking at drop down right there, or look at this video at the end screen, you'll see her winning. All right, so like I said, get you one of these shirts. Just send me an email or whatever you need to do. And like my students, they always tell them, I said number 12, and I'm on the 12th floor. And I'm the 12th child out of 14 children. So maybe it was my lucky day today.